So guys, I have my green banana and my yellow yam boiling. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how I prepared it. It's not a fully detailed video, but I'll share a detailed video for you in the description box. So if you are interested, stick around guys to see how I make this. Let's get cooking. So I'm gonna add some salt into the pot. Alright, so you want to add the salt to your taste. Afterwards, you're gonna allow it to come up to a boil. When it starts boiling, you want to add your ground provision. Alright, so I'm gonna add my yellow yam first. Afterwards, I'm gonna cover the pot, allow it to come up to a rapid boil before I add my bananas. Now I did put my ground provisions in some water. You could add a little lime juice to it or some vinegar to it so that it does not oxidize. Alright guys, so after doing all of that guys, you want to allow your ground provision to cook until it's for tender. Now you can add other ground provisions to this as well, but for me it's just yam and banana for me today. Alright, so just cover the pot, allow it to come up to a boil, and then I'll show you what I do next. Alright, so the reason I did not add my bananas with the yellow yam, you know, most times banana is softer or cooks very fast, so you don't want to add it in the pot same time with the yam, because I allowed my water to boil for about 5 minutes and then I'm adding the bananas now. Alright, so you want to take that into consideration. Now we're gonna test to see if it's finished cooking. This is about 10 minutes after adding it to the pot. Alright, so if you use the fork to pierce your ground provision and you feel like you want it to be softer, then just give it like maybe about 5 more minutes, and then when you're ready you put out the flame. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do because I love my ground provisions to be soft enough. Alright guys, so at this point it's all done, so I'm gonna put out the flame. Now as I said before, this is not a very detailed video. The videos that I will share is more detailed. You see when I'm preparing the ground provisions and all of that. Alright, I did add some dumpling in one of them, so I'm gonna share all of those videos for you. Alright guys.